Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've done a video kind of like this, but I've never done it to this extent. Somebody sent me well, they didn't send me, they sent me a picture of a drawing. I kind of recreated something. We've got 4 broken lines. Now, I made these lines really thick so you can see them on the video that we have uh, gaps. She wanted I'm going to quit saying gender because I get sometimes it's wrong when I forget who's emailed me or text me. If you grab the shape tool and you select all these, we should be able to select them all. Well, let's hold down the control button and we're selected all the nodes. And you select all these and then you go join 2 curves, you can get that. So that doesn't work. So what you can do is go to Windows, Dockers, Join Curves, and these spaces, let's just measure them. They're not very wide at all. They look a little closer together now that I've used the thicker line. They're only like 0.07 of an inch apart. And somehow I got that one a little bit off. But anyway, we're going to join all 4 of these lines at one time. I've got my gap tolerance set on 1/2 of an inch, and I'm going to hit apply. That quickly, it joined all those curves, or all those lines. Now this one got off somehow in my drawing. They weren't like that. Now, are they truly joined? Yes. Will they leak? No. So you can do anything with them. Anyway, that's pretty cool using the join curve docker. There's a lot you can do with it. You can do multiple breaks in a line all at one time. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.